Hi everyone, I'm Wellnessity, and if you're tired of counting sleep, stick around. We've got some great tips that will make hitting the hay easier and more restful. Let's dive right in. 1. Create a sleep-inducing environment. Make your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to set the perfect sleep environment. 2. Stick to a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock. 3. Limit screen time before bed. Reduce blue light exposure from screens at least an hour before bed. Opt for a book or a relaxing activity instead. 4. Practice deep breathing. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8 to calm your mind. 5. Try progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and then release each muscle group from your toes to your head to help relax your body. 6. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals. Cut out caffeine and large meals at least 4 to 6 hours before bedtime. 7. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Develop a calming pre-sleep routine like a warm bath or meditation. 8. Use aromatherapy. Essential oils like lavender or chamomile can help promote relaxation. 9. Limit naps. Keep naps short, around 20 to 30 minutes, to avoid disrupting your nighttime sleep. 10. Get regular exercise. Exercise during the day can help you sleep better, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime. 11. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water during the day, but limit fluids in the evening to avoid nighttime awakenings. 12. Keep your bedroom for sleep. Use your bedroom primarily for sleeping to strengthen the sleep association. 13. Try sleep-inducing foods. Foods like turkey or nuts that contain tryptophan or magnesium can help promote sleep. 14. Adjust your sleep position. Find a comfortable sleeping position that works best for you. 15. Use a sleep mask. A sleep mask can block out light and signal to your brain that it's time to sleep. 16. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol may make you feel drowsy but can disrupt your sleep later in the night. 17. Address stress and anxiety. Manage stress through journaling, mindfulness, or talking to a therapist if needed. Try incorporating these tricks into your nightly routine and see what works best for you. Remember, good sleep is crucial for your overall health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your well-being. Sweet dreams.